A wonderful good morning from Anguilla again. This is Nerdy Grandma, and I am taking a drive to the southeast today to Savannah Bay as the next stop, because today is a little cloudy. It's still nice and sunny, but a little cloudy, so I decided to take a drive and explore some of the lesser known beaches and see how Savannah Bay Beach is looking today. So I'm gonna flip the camera and share a bit of the drive with you. I hope you enjoy it. So we just left the Valley Road and turned onto the Junk Hole Road. That's how it's called, because I think the area down there is called Junk Hole. Interesting name. Anguilla is very lush right now due to the rain that's been falling. So very, very, very nice. Nice and green. And this is an area of Anguilla where even less people are living, so it's less populated here. I mean, we are passing by schools, little churches, little shops now and then, but there is not much going on here. There's not much going on in Anguilla in general, but it's even more quiet here in this area. Oh, look at this beautiful house. I love those old houses. Nice architecture. There's another church. Everybody's very friendly here. People on the road that you pass by, they always greet you. Very nice. I like that. Oh, it looks very, very dark. This is up towards the north. We are going to turn towards southeast. Oh, it looks a little better in the southeast. Yeah, chicken all over the place. Chicken and goats. You see a lot of goats here, and I love goat meat. I do. Curried goat is my favorite. And they do have those goat shows at Elvis's Beach Bar on sandy ground. Those goat shows are to die for. I came here to eat them on my first day here this time, and they were delicious as always. So if you like goat meat, Anguilla is the place. Yeah, it looks very dark up there, but I don't care. So we shortly have to take a turn. Towards Palm Grove Bar and Grill. Oh my god, okay. Alright. Yeah. I have to drive slowly with this car. But yeah, it's all doable. I just have to drive slowly. That's the only thing. Not a big deal. This is very common here to have roads like this. And not everyone here drives SUVs, so many people actually drive regular sedans like I do right now. So it's just about driving slowly. I'm actually more concerned here to accidentally drive over a very sharp rock and puncture my tire, and then be stranded in the middle of nowhere. Well, it's a small island and I have a phone, so got myself a local SIM card so I can call and also have enough data, but still, yeah, it's not gonna happen. All right, do you see how this area is not populated at all and how it's very green? Oops, you see over there you can see Semapta. Nice. All right, let's continue going. Still some way to go. So let's see if it gets worse. Okay. I'm gonna turn off the camera for now, turn it back on later, but you can see there is the ocean already in the background. There's a little lizard on the road. Hi, lizard. So I'm going to turn off the camera for now and focus on driving. Well, I hope I took the right one. I guess I'll see. Okay, I think I took the wrong turn. Yeah, I took the wrong turn, so I have to turn around. Okay, back on track again. I had to turn around and take this road here. It's about 2 more minutes based on Google Maps.
In 400 meters, your destination will be on the left.
All right. Okay, now I can already see the coastline. I just really hope the road is not getting worse, but so far it looks good. It's just all pressed soil, but that's fine. All right, now I have to turn left here. And look, there you can already see Savannah Bay. Maybe Nats is even open. Let's see, that would be nice for a drink. Nats, Palm Grove, this is the building down there. Oh, okay. Okay. All good, just have to go really slow. All good. 200 meters. And we are here. You know what's crazy? As you get older, you get more conscious and scared. Oh, it's open. Yeah, wow. Amazing. Maybe I even get a nice drink here because I'm thirsty. Okay, so this is Palm Grove, Nat's place. And let's see if I get something to drink here. Alright, so I'm here at Savannah Bay, and as you can see, it's, well, very rough today. It's windy, and as you can see, unfortunately, you know, at this side of the island, a lot of stuff is being swept onto the beaches, like a little bit of sargassum left over, and lots of garbage from the ocean, as you can see, like nets. And yeah, this is because of, you know, the swells and the way the ocean is flowing. It all is swept onto the beaches here, which is a pity, but this is today's world. This is the situation today. And you know, contrary to what one would think, it's not so much because of the people here littering the place. This is really coming from the ocean. God knows from where, you know, can be anywhere in the Caribbean. There's all this garbage, which is a real pity, you know. So I hate to see stuff like this, because this is of course also dangerous to the animals. Especially turtles, they get stuck in the nets, and if they can't free themselves, you know, they die. So it's very sad, and I hate that. But you know, honestly, this is a global issue. Anywhere you go, you have this issue, and it's a real pity, you know, what we humans have done to this planet and continue to do so, unfortunately. So they have some cleanup initiative here in Anguilla, and I know they have on most islands. And honestly, if there would be something going on during my stay here, I would gladly help, but it's not. It just did something before I got here. So, yeah. Wow. This is crazy. Sad. But what are you going to do apart from not littering yourself and make sure that you take your garbage with you when you are at the beaches, and not throw anything away, you know, and especially not into the ocean. I mean, not at all, but also not into the ocean. I've seen videos of Anguilla beaches on YouTube where this bay was beautiful. I think it was filmed over there. But yeah, of course, this is on the southern coast, so it's most of the days it's windy here. But yeah, I have seen videos where the ocean was very pretty and turquoise and calm, just like Shoal Bay East or Meads Bay, but not today. So I'm going to head back to the car. So I walked inside Palm Grove Bar and Grill. They're actually doing some renovations. They're replacing the floorboards right now, and they said they would probably reopen within the next 2 weeks. Yeah, unfortunately I will be gone by then, but I will come back here next year probably and try again, because I've been here a few times and they've always been closed. And I wanted to try their food and their Johnny cakes. They're supposed to be the best here on Anguilla. Alright, so I'm gonna head back to the car and head to the next stop. Not sure where, but I'll figure out what to do once I'm back in the car. Alright, stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed it so far. This is Palm Grove Bar and Grill. Unique place, very simple place, but I like places like this. This is Island Harbor now, I'm driving towards, and there is a thunderstorm brewing out there, so I actually wanted to go to the beach, but it's not happening right now, so what to do? Yeah, know what to do with myself. Looks really, really black back there. So this is Scenic, the little island over there. I haven't been there. Yeah, and this is Island Harbor. Island Harbor, yeah. Over there is the Arawak Beach Resort. And Island Harbor Bay. All right. Not much going on here today either. I think I'm heading back to my place, and let's see what to do.